What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to transform, how to turn any text, a plain text, into infographic or a visual storytelling. First, go to Google, type napkin, go to the first result, napkin.ai. You're gonna be able to see this site right here, and here is one example of this guy does, okay? It gives visuals from texts, and it's really nice to work with. Click into the upper right corner button, start for free, okay? You're gonna create account. You're gonna need to create an account with your Google, okay? You can create an account with your Google, with your Facebook, all up to you. After this, you're gonna be requested to answer some questions, all up to you, and then you're gonna be able to see this option. What would you like to add text? By placing the text. I ask one simple question, so I'm gonna place my text right here. Here's the text. How to install WordPress theme by Visualmodo. Here is my question, and here is a multi-step guide. And now all I have to do is use this and wait for the magic to happen. And we have now a multi-step, and of course we can have some suggestions of things to change. We can fully customize the options. For example, right here, this one is great. This one looks fabulous. I think this one looks okay as well. But my favorite one is this one. And I can customize the way they look and feel, okay? And here is the result I got. Simple, right? And if you like the results you got, you can download to use on your site, to explain to your client, for example. And you can fully customize. There is a couple of options right here to customize. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.